Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Snapchat. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you share this video to other people who may find it useful. So what you'll need to do is open up Snapchat, click on your profile icon on the top left and then go to the settings cog on the top right. Once you're on here, you should see a username and then the little name on the right hand side with the arrow. Just select that and it'll just let you know at the top, this is how your friends find and add you on Snapchat. You can only change your username once a year. So if you're happy with that, just select the blue text change username and it'll just let you know again, your username might become eligible for reuse by someone else in the future. So just select continue and just change your name to whatever you wish. Then select next. Then you'll have to enter in your password. Then it'll just give you another mention of are you sure you can only change your username once a year. And if you're happy with that, just select continue. And that'll be your username changed. Thanks for watching.